gon' see that motherfucker out.
But it's all right with me. Talk to me that money shit. You was a little nigga.
Fucking bum. He not fucking boss in this
Come on,
bitch.
son. How you need? Who you ride with? Who you ride with?
I like that, man. Where you gon' run when the hurricane come? Where you gon' run when the hurricane come? Where you gon' run when the hurricane come? Put your ass in the air and make that motherfucker dump. You better ride that dick like a surfboard. You better ride that dick like a surfboard. You better ride that dick. You better ride that dick. You better ride that dick. Already had all. They slowly can see all the while you wanna fuck your dreams. They beg I wanna know who says right in the back of all? Who says right in the back of all?
Realize that the motherfucking coffee hurt me. The motherfucking world.
Rainy day, she wanted to let her get straight. So she jumped in her car. She pushed her start, but she's thinking love. Will you tell me how you get to the MNT? Take a look down the limo, you nigga left from taking his heat. Nigga spin that pen, you gon' tip on Josephine. Tip, you gon' tip in the name for me. When you go down on limo, you gon' tip in it. Big up for her.
Oh, Blaze up, hold up, Blaze up. Hold up, Nelson. Hold up. You ready? This DJ. Something, look, give me some hard and give me the best sample you got. You got the lyric, girl? That's Blaze up. That's
Time out. Hold on, DJ. I stepped out for a couple of minutes.
Oh.
I don't need nothing to these dudes, my people. Give me the mic, let me see that. I'm trying, y'all do y'all thing. Y'all do this, the hurricane meet the fucking wave. We here. Where y'all at? Shuts out the garden. We ain't doing shit till they get here. Keisha and Croatia, where they at? Where they at? They're going to that fucking sounds of that Feel it. We rest our case to be our competition come here, cause we still gonna get that check at the end of the night. We trying to do before we get that check. We want our motherfucking competition.
Yeah, Pat, where you at?
Put on the show.
Look.
We won't let the fucking hurricane be the way, Blazer. I'm saying we forfeit.
I know, I see y'all here.
I'm saying we been here.
I know, I already see it.
I got another part after this.
That's right.
Y'all be there, we here.
Man, Impact in the building, full doubly. We're in the middle and went to the D, you already know.
Can we get an Impact artist to the stage? Can we get an Impact artist to the stage? Flip side frame, put them nose to bed. Can we get an Impact artist? Get flip side frame, put them nose to bed, huh? PJ, yeah, you're so cold. Fucking like a dog, make them put this one on. The girl shit, cause I hit him with that good. Flip side frame, another nigga with that good. All the girls go crazy. All the girls so lady. Oh yeah, you're so good. How do you eat that pussy? How do you eat that pussy? How do you eat that pussy? No money, make money, nigga ain't got no money. Make money, that nigga ain't got no money. Make money.
I need somebody to come in and just, let's do it right here. Right here, Blaze up. I am DJ so motherfucking cool and I am Impact. You heard me? What it is, heard me? Come on, you ready? Love tastes good to you. He too hood for your love tastes good to you. He too hood for your love taste. I said the love taste. I said your love taste. You got to beat him up it. You got to beat him up and open with your Blaze. I need some harder than that. I need some harder than that. Come on. What it is? What's here right here? Hold on. Ain't you the same bitch that was at my door? Talking about your head, my nigga, 2 nights ago. How he laid you on the couch and then he ate you out. Put this dick out. It wasn't all running your mouth. Nasty bitch. You got the, they wanna, she wanna, you got the, she want the pussy with you. You got the rocket with you. You got the clapping with you. Open with your mouth, you put your go with it. You think they with the with your mouth, you put your nigga in the way. You want to get up the way, you want to get up the way. Drop the way, we sit up.
Oh, hold up. DJ, hold on. These bitches be rapping, they be sounding
keep it loud.
Hold up.
Hold DJ.
Pluck a high trace, she want some dick tonight. Call a high boy, she not good, right? She got that good shit, make a nigga that quick. Now they tryna battle, bitch. Oh, what's up? I said, knick-knack, paddywhack, get a girl a bone. Give us an open fucker all night long. Come on, train boy, you gon' pull out here. That's the whole train, she don't care. Come on, get your, shake your butt, and then come on, ain't no competition, ain't no fucking distance. Whatever downtown, do it, bitch, I'm on a mission. Ain't no competition, ain't no fucking distance. My name is Ain't no do it, bitch, I'm on a mission. Blocka, 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 bang. Blocka, blocka, bang. Blocka, blocka, bang. Blocka, 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 I mean, blocka, 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 bang.
And that boy Blaze about to get it together. We want to thank y'all for coming out this Thanksgiving. New Orleans love, that's what it's all about. We showing y'all how we can gel it together, and it's all love, because that's what we do. Yo, shaking it, baby, you ready? Blaze, are you ready?
I'll flip that friend. I'm about to
Sound like the winning team in the building. We ready, Lucky, let us go, Lucky. Let us go first, Lucky. Hold on. Cut that, man. Cut that shit, man. Nigga said what? Nigga looking for who? I say dick. All she want is dick. Oh, cause a 10-wall nigga she in love with. And that's who she going home with. What? She want a 7-wall nigga, that's oh. She want a 9-wall nigga, that's she want an 8-wall nigga, that's I said 7-wall. Put it in my face like a birthday cake. Put it in my face like a birthday cake. Put it in my face. Hold on, man. Hold on. Let me reintroduce myself. Who the DJ is? Blazer? Let me reintroduce myself. My name is Tim Walker, and I started the motherfucking hurricane. Way back when? Hold on, DJ. The hurricane. Hold on. We don't have a third mic. Who got that third mic? We only need 2. Down here. We don't go and fly 10-wall drop. What you gonna do when that beat come on? What you gonna do? Oh, annunciation. Old side, new side. And if you talk shit, hit you. I want to see the nails call you go. Get a nigga from the door and get hit. Hold on, DJ. Hold on, nigga. Who winning that shit? Stop it. Hold on. I don't know how you in the building, baby. Let's go. Man, turn that fucking mic off. Chill out. We don't need to chill out. I got something to fucking say. I got money now. Just the other day I gave my baby mama some. You heard me? And when she called me, I'm a motherfucking run. Nigga won't be like me. But first you gotta reach 33. You gotta get 3 girls on me. But I'm still my brother with my Oh, wave at who? Man, give me something, man. Talking my motherfucking name like that.
From the summer to the winter, free all the right to the from the spring to the fall, man, right, free them all.
I'm gonna feel love.
Let's go, y'all.
What you gonna do when that beat come on? I say, what you gonna do when that beat come on? What you gonna do when that beat come on? What you gonna do when that beat come on? 55, 55, 55, 55, 55,
Hold on. It ain't fair, y'all keep playing music. Right. He said something, I won't say some shit too. Right. Fuck. I've been on. What the heck? I ain't have to get in no motherfucking car wreck. What the fuck? I ain't got no insurance money. 822-8000, that's fucking bonus bar money. What the fuck? Nigga don't ever come something on no fucking 10-roll pump. Show your motherfucking money. You hear me? I'll show 1,000 for every one of his motherfucking 100. And I ain't get no fucking lawsuit. Let's go, nigga. Let's go.
If a golf floor, bitch, beat me at the bar. Walk out, leave your purse in the car. If a golf floor, bitch, beat me at the bar. Throw one bag, let a nigga have it. Throw one bag, let a nigga have it. Throw one bag, throw one bag.
All the people from Uptown know I've been doing that block party shit. You hear me? Me and my brother broke up and I fell back from that shit. But then the 6 had a second eye and I'm going back with that shit. I've been doing this fucking shit. I ain't no motherfucking DJ, but I own this shit. And it's my motherfucking city. Motherfucker little boy, I gotta sign that MJ. Motherfucker, I'ma go hard. I've been in the motherfucking game. I ain't got time for no niggas. Won't be like me. Won't fuck without fuck. I'm T-Walk, man. Man, they could've stayed. Could've stayed. The whole motherfucker. I don't know some of these motherfucking people. Could've fucking stayed. Could've stayed. What's that time, man?
What's up, baby? Look, it's your boy Lucky, man, representing Big Face Records. I got my man T-Walk Buck in the building. You understand me?
Let's go.
Hey, blaze up.
You see the good way doing this
On the winning team and impact.
One
time for that 7-wall.
Here you go, man. If she don't call you back, you ain't do it right. She want a 7-wall, nigga, that's gon' get it right. If she don't call you back, you ain't do it right. She want a 7-wall, do it, that's gon' do it right. She want a 7-wall, dude, that's gon' do it right. She want a 7-wall, dude, that's gon' do it right. She want a 7-wall, a 7-wall, a 7-wall, a 7-wall. One time for that 7, 2 times for that wall. One time for that 7, 2 times for that wall. One time for that 7, for the 7-wall. One time for the 7, for the 7-wall. One time for that 7. Cut it. The people can't see me. I think it's the killer stage. When I was looking at Instagram, I saw a nigga say buku shit. I saw a nigga. My bad. I just had to throw that down there. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Hey, what I want?
What you got next?
What's that with you, baby?
I'm not just.
I want that. Give me that magnolia. You want the smooth, baby? Hey, what's up? I got you. My bad. You want that second walk? We gonna give it to you.
Let's party. Oh, shorty. That's my girl, Magnolia Shorty.
Come on, bring
Give me everything.
Hold on. Lucky Johnson. Hold on, man. When I was looking on fucking Instagram, they had the wave on the stage. Nobody from the winning team was on the stage. So, just bag it up, cause y'all cutting up for nothing. It's my turn. Hey, what's down with you? I still fuck with you. Slim Fine, Beats by God. Hey, wave. Give us our fucking turn. I'm a boss rapper, but I can still spit. What, Tease? Tease, you want to give him that good pussy right quick? You want to give him that good pussy? I'm about to tell you. Look. I'm going to just say one thing. You know the good thing about my team? Y'all know every last one of my motherfucking team, nigga. You heard me? My team, we on. We don't know nobody over there. I don't know nobody over there. I don't know no fucking body. And I'm proud of that rock ass voice like, let's go. Get some.
We just see each other. And you like the fucking blood, cause my pussy better. We don't go together, we just see each other. And you like the fucking blood, cause my pussy better. I got that good pussy, pussy, I got that good pussy,
Hey, she ain't even done. Once you cross Canal Street, you downtown, baby. You want that? Give me that downtown.
Once you go to the last street, you downtown, baby. Drop that beat, please. Okay.
Boy, you was fucked from the start. You beats like this. If you miss soldier, slam through the know you clap. If you miss soldier, slam through the know you clap. If you miss soldier, slam through the know